AI bots are writing exploits targeting your identity controls. The complexity is growing, and the risk is too. It's becoming cheaper, faster, and more dangerous. And sadly, when our IAM breaks, everything breaks. I've witnessed thousands of people go logged out because one misconfiguration, deletion of a group. By the way, it was in the middle of COVID, and it was Zoom and Slack. It's us. And think about it. What if an identity-based attack would capture your IDP? Ever thought about IDP ransomware? So IAM is now business critical. It's part of your infrastructure. And yet, I've seen that most teams are running blind.